Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Mercedes E-Class Coupe. You can see it's got the full AMG body styling kit, including the front park distance control, AMG alloy wheels. It's in lovely condition. Rear park distance control. It's E220 diesel, twin exhausts. Boot area is in lovely condition. Rear seats do fold down if you want. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors, full leather seats. It's done it's done 76,983 miles. Lovely low mileage. Got satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, climate control, air conditioning, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, or your full media pack there as well, multifunction steering wheel, armrest, got USB, seats are in lovely condition. DJ's got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For quite any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.